In this video, I will show you how to show the FPS or ping on Fortnite PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently in the Fortnite lobby. Now, in order to do this, you want to actually start a game. So we're just going to jump into a game now. So here we are in game. As you can see in the top left hand corner, we can see our ping, and in the top right hand corner, you can see the current FPS. Now, to go ahead and turn this on, it's really easy to do, but you can only do this whilst you're actually in game. So what you need to do is go ahead and press the options button on your controller. So that's the little button just here. That's going to open up this menu on the right or left hand side of the screen. And then what you can do is press R1 to come down to your settings, and then press X to go into the game settings. So from the game settings, you want to use R1 and L1 to scroll through the icons at the top, and you want to come across to where it says Game UI, which is this one here, and then press right on your controller. Now what you need to do is just scroll down this menu slightly, and you'll see a bit down this menu, there is an option called Net Debug Stats. Now what you want to do here is press X on your controller, then you want to use left and right on your D-pad to set this to on, and then go ahead and press triangle to apply. So once you've done this, when you come back to your game, you will now notice the FPS shown in the top right hand corner, and the ping is shown in the top left hand corner. So that is how to show your FPS ping on Fortnite PS5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.